Hey everyone, today I wanted to show you the Cinema Secret Makeup Brush Cleaner. As you can probably tell, we've been using this for a very long time because this product is super good. So today I'm going to be showing you how we use it. Okay, so all you will need is a cup or a bowl, whatever you want, with a napkin. And I'm going to just pour some into here, just like this. And I wetted my brush a little so you guys could just see how much product is in there. I just wetted it with some water and now I'm going to dip it in here and just scrape. And you want to keep doing this until nothing comes off. So look at all the product that is coming off and you see how much lighter it's already getting. So I'm just going to keep repeating this until it is all done. Okay, I wanted to show you guys a difference. Here's another super dirty brush. This was supposed to be white at the top. And this is just with water, just to show you how much better this product works than water. Look it. Looks like nothing is coming off. It's clear on the napkin. Let's go on the other side. Literally nothing is coming off. Now, I'm going to pour some of, let me take out the water. I'm going to pour some of this in here. Dip it in. And look at the difference. Look at one swipe and it's practically almost white now. Another bonus is this product dries super quick, so I just finished cleaning this maybe 30 seconds ago and it's almost already dry. So it's perfect for using your brushes as soon as you wash it. Here are the brushes that are all done drying and look how good they look. They look brand new. This one is supposed to be pink, by the way. And look at this one too. They look brand spanking new.